Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to convert your chat to PDF in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to go to the chat we want to make PDF from. So let's go for this one. And here we can see these three dots over here in the top right corner. So let's tap on this and click on more and click on export chat. Now you can export it to any social media. So let's go for WhatsApp and send it to yourself first and click on send. Now when you are done, you can simply open it. Here's the text. Now we need to convert it to PDF. For that, we need to go to Google and search for text to PDF, and you can go to any website and click on choose file. Now click on media over here. Now you need to choose the file you want to convert. So let's go for our file and it's uploading. Now the file is ready. Now click on download file. So now here we can see the PDF of our chat. So this is all we need to do to convert our WhatsApp chat to PDF. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.